Cross your fingers.
That's what we're doing. We're having fun at the same time. I can do this. Just be careful.
Yeah, careful. I don't think you try that way.
No, I don't think so.
Give it a go, babe. You can't fight evolution. I was built for speed.
The question is, Dory, are you hungry?
Hungry?
Yeah. Because you're about to eat my bubbles.
Big dude. Big dude.
The clownfish is the winner. We did it. Look at us. Dory?
Big dude. What?
Am I disqualified?
No, you're doing fine. You're actually.
I'm just kind of stressed right now.
Where does Pea Sherman live?
We got a lot of stuff to do.
Big way.
We got a lot of stuff to do, and
Phone's up a lot of hours.
Stay awake. Stay awake. Stay awake.
No.
You miss your dad, don't you, Shakti?
okay, so you can't get mad, like not on the spot.
Good to have someone out there.
Because I just went potty.
Paige, any movement?
What?
Babe, I didn't even, I just,
Your father.
you cannot get angry.
I know, never.
No, you're.
Because we did this, that was done together.
Lead to the ocean, kid.
You cannot get mad.
Lost count.
No.
Fish aren't meant to be in a box,
Babe,
kid.
what do you, I just took it right now.
That's wrong.
Huh?
That's wrong, man. It's April Fools. It's April Fools. Oh my God.
Once you get in, swing down to the bottom of the table, and I'll talk you through the
But that is a positive pregnancy
That
test.
would be a basic. Wait down. Can you hear me?
But it is a positive pregnancy test. But it is a... What's the matter, Collie? Man, I thought it was gonna go longer than that. That was easy.